If you want to learn how to unlock this phone, I suggest you continue watching this video. I'm Nick from SimNeverlock, and today I want to show you how to unlock this iPhone. This method will also work for Android phones. Before I start, I want to tell you that this is completely free and won't take you more than 5 minutes. We have unlocked thousands of phones so far, and people are using our service daily. So before you throw your money at a local shop for unlocking, try out our free service. Okay, let's begin. Step 1. Find the Imei number of your phone. The easiest way to do this is to open up the dialer and call *#06#. This will show the Imei number on your screen. If the phone is locked and cannot be used, you can find the Imei by clicking on the blue info button here. Step 3. Go to SimNeverlock.com and start the unlocking. Write down the required information, an email address, the Imei number of the phone, and the phone version. Once you fill the required information, check if everything is correct and click on Unlock. Step 4. Wait until the servers do the unlocking. At the end, you will be required to complete a small verification. This task requires you to install an app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Complete this easy task by downloading an app and running it for about 30 seconds. When you're done, your phone should be unlocked. Step 5. Insert your SIM card to check if your phone is unlocked. As you can see, this phone is now factory unlocked, and I can use a SIM card from any carrier. If the phone is not unlocked, please make sure to follow the steps correctly. This service works worldwide, and almost 90% of the phones are supported. You can also unlock a phone from another country. However, some phones are not supported. If you are experiencing any problems, please contact us for help.